भूर्भुवस्वः
भूर्भुवस्वः
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्
Hello little learners, how are you all? I hope everyone is well, fine and happy. Very good. So in today's video class we are going to learn chapter number 5, that is adverbs. And the learning objective of this lesson is, by the end of this lesson you will be able to define adverbs or verb helpers. Yes, little learners, adverbs are also known as verb helpers. Then identify how, when and where words that describes a verb. You will also be able to identify the adverbs adverb form of words that ends with y. Yes, then you will be able to revise how to identify adverbs from the given sentences. So are you all guys ready? Let's get going. Now you would be having a question that what do you mean by adverbs? So little learners, adverbs को verb helpers बोला जाता है. इसका मतलब होता है words that tells us more about verb. Words that tells us more about verb are known as adverbs. They are verb helpers. Let us look at few examples of adverbs like kindly, loudly, sweetly, angrily. These all are the words which is formed by ly. Yes, adjectives. The first three kinds are kind, 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 जिसका बन गया kindly. देन लाउड, जिसका बन गया लाउडली. वाई को ऐड करके हमने ly को ऐड करके क्या बना दिया? एडवर्ब, जैसे कि स्वीटली एंड एंगरली. ऑलराइट, सो द रूट वर्ड्स आर काइंड, लाउड, स्वीट एंड एंग्री. जिसका हमने बनाया काइंडली, लाउडली, स्वीटली एंड एंगरली बाय एडिंग द लेटर ly to it. Now let's see. Adverbs that answer the question when are called adverb of time. They tells us the time when the action take place. For example, Ram play with the frisbee. When did Ram play with the frisbee? Yesterday Ram play with the frisbee. So here, when, the adverb that answer the question when are called adverb of time. Yes, they tells us the time when the action take place. When the action takes place. Now, adverb of place. Adverbs that answer the question where are called adverb of place. Where, ऐसे questions जो हमें answer देते हैं where का, WHERE, where, they tells us the place where the things are going to be done. For example, where is the garden? The garden is outside. Okay. So, adverb that answers the question where are called adverb of place. Now, adverb of manner. तो बच्चों, adverbs that answer the question how, 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 are known as adverb of manner. Alright, adverb of manner हम किसको बोलते हैं? जो हमें आंसर करते हैं how. They tells us the manner of which the action take place, manner in which the action take place. For example, how did the sun shines? तो द सन शाइन्स ब्राइटली, तो उसका मैनर कौन बता रहा है, सन कैसे शाइन हो रहा है, ब्राइटली. सो इट्स एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर. तो हमने 3 चीजें देखी, एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम, एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस एंड एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर. वेरी गुड लिटिल लर्नर्स. नाउ लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड एंड लेट्स सी the exercise portion of today, and then we will be going to revise what we had learned today. So come on, take out your pencils and let's get going. See here, adverbs are words or phrase that modifies a verb. Adverbs or adjectives. Adverbs expresses a relation of place, as I told you, where, time, when, and manner, how, or degree. For example, here they had given us swiftly, quickly, carefully, brightly, softly, peacefully, bravely, cautiously, then strangely. They had given us the help box. Only we had to do is we have to put it in the correct manner, in the correct place, and we have to do fill in the blanks. Come on, let's do. The sun, the stars shines dash in the sky. The stars shine brightly. Very good, everyone. Write it down. BRIGHTLY. Brightly in the sky. The stars shine brightly in the sky. He dash comforted the dragon. He cautiously comforted the dragon. Then we went quickly to the store to buy few things. Then we carefully picked up the broken glass. CAREFULLY, as the glass was broken. So we carefully picked up the broken glass. He bravely climbed down from the tree. Bravely, with full of brave. Then she looked at us strangely. She swiftly dropped her coat. We peacefully sat around the campfire. So, little learners, what we had learned today? We had learned that adverbs are words that tells us more about the verb. They are verb helpers. For example, bravely, late, inside. Most adverbs are formed by adding the letter ly. We had learned this also today, that most of the adverbs are written or formed by adding the letter ly. Alright, and few of the words are used by dropping y and adding ILY. For example, happily. We dropped y and we write I instead of y, and then we add ly, like HAPPY, happy. It becomes happily. It means the words ending in the letter Y, we drop the Y and add ILY to that word. Alright, we had seen this also today. Then we had learned adverbs that answer the question when are called adverb of time. For example, today, early. Then adverbs that answer the question where, they are called as adverb of place. For example, here. Then adverbs that tells us the question or that gives the answer, how. They are known as adverb of manner. For example, swiftly and wisely. So we had learned adverbs nicely and we had completed the exercise as well as. Like in the exercise, we have to choose the words from the help box and we have to write it down here. The stars shined brightly in the sky. Stars कैसे shine हो रहे हैं? Brightly. So it's saying the adverb of manner. Then he cautiously comforted the dragon. We went quickly to the store. We carefully picked up the broken glass. He bravely climbed down from the tree. She looked at us strangely. She swiftly dropped her coat. We peacefully sat around the campfire. Now, let us revise yesterday's homework as well. In my previous video, that was 27 to 21's video, on Saturday I had given you homework, this one, filling the blanks with the proper possessive pronouns, that is mine, our, his, hers, yours, its and theirs. Come on, let's discuss it. I paid for my scarf, so it is mine. The first answer is mine. Pick any of this dessert. The choice is yours. Y-O-U-R-S, yours. The second answer is yours. Then the third one is the maths book belongs to Ralph. It is his. The third answer is his. H-I-S, his. All my brother love video games. Playing them is a favorite pastime of theirs. Then we brought this game together, so it is ours. The last answer is O-U-R-S, ours. So little learners, in my previous video we had completed till possessive pronoun, and today we had done adverbs. I told you about adverbs, three kinds: adverb of manner, place and adverb of time as well. Alright, and today we had done its exercise as well. Now tomorrow we are going in my next video class, I'll be telling you about the sixth topic, that is types of sentences. I know every one of you know about sentences, that's why we are going to revise types of sentences as well. And I'll be also telling you what is the meaning of sentences and where to form the sentences, how to form the sentences properly. I'll be telling you when to use which type, like question mark, where to use question mark, where to use full stop and apostrophes and everything I am going to tell you. So no need to worry about it. And I hope nobody is having doubt in degrees of comparison. We had done also verbs, action, saying and feelings. We had also completed singular and plural nouns, and this is our index. So we had completed up till here, up till 5th chapter, adverbs. In my next video class I'll be telling you types of sentences, and then only 3 topics are remaining, that is types of sentences, types of preposition and subject and predicate. Alright little learners, so if you face any difficulty in this 1 to 5 topics, feel free to ask me. I'll be there to help you in your online classes, in your video classes. And if you have any difficulty in any of the topic, you can tell me. I'll be making a video for that and sharing it in group, so that all of your doubts would get clear. Alright, and it will help you to write your exam more nicely. Come on little learners, it's time to say bye-bye. And I hope today's lesson is worthful for you all. You all understood whatever I taught you today. And if you face difficulty in adverbs or any of the 4 topics, you can ask me. So that's all for today. Bye. Thank you and namaskar everyone.